peach cobbler hack, I'll be using cake mix instead of the regular flour to make a peach cobbler. This is my first time. Stay tuned for the video. Welcome back to my channel. I'll be doing a peach cobbler, but I'll be doing an hack, which is I'll be using a classic yellow cake mixture instead of the regular flour. So here are all the ingredients that I will be using, and this is the first time I will be attempting to make such a dessert. I am not a peach cobbler fan, however, I'm ready to start the process. I added my butter in my tin, then I added to my oven to eat. Please remember to subscribe if you haven't yet subscribed. Give your girl a like, and please remember to hit that notification bell so you get notified each time I upload a new video. Here is my baking tin ready to go in the oven. I will now start combining all my dried ingredients, which will be a quarter of the cake mix I'll be using, a little cinnamon, a little nutmeg. I use a tablespoon brown sugar and a tablespoon granulated sugar, where I will be combining all my dried ingredients. And I am making sure that I mix them all together or combine them so everything is evenly spread inside of it. Everything is powdery. There's no lump in it, so I make sure to mix out everything because the brown sugar, the grains are a little bit big, so I make sure to mix everything out. Welcome again to all the persons who heard about Shells Island flavor cooking from SoFlo's channel. I thank you so much for your support. It is greatly appreciated. It will not be taken for granted. Thank you all to my continuous subscribers that continues to stick with me. Please remember to like, share, comment, tell others about Shells Island flavor cooking. Thank you all for the support, and I do hope that you will come back to my channel. Here I'm about ready. I added my peach into my butter mix. I added a little lemon zest, a little vanilla, and a little almond. And I'll mix everything in together. I did use the juice from the peach. I did not strain or throw the juice away. I used the juice from the peach. I'm just mixing in my vanilla, my almond, my lemon juice, my vanilla together. Now I'm ready. I just dumped, or I just add all my dried mixture on top, and then I'm just spreading everything evenly on top to make sure everything is on the same level. This was a very tiny peach cobbler because I was not sure if this would be something that I would enjoy. Now the final part is to add butter on the dried portion of this. You might be wondering or considering, how is this going to come out? The butter will eventually melt and seep through the dried ingredient, and I do hope it will come out with everything done properly. I'm trusting, I'm believing that it will come out properly. So I make sure to cover with butter, and because I wanted to, I added a little additional cinnamon My oven is already heated to 350 degrees, so I added this in my oven for 45 minutes. There goes my peach cobbler. Yes, it was done. The top was crispy. It came out really good. Now I left this to cool for 20 minutes. Then I will show you how I serve this up with some ice cream. You too can try this. It tasted really good. My family enjoyed it. I also enjoyed it. I wanted to eat it to show you, but I was not dressed for this video. I served this with some butter pecan ice cream. It tasted really good. And your girl is up late at night trying to get these videos out. It was late at night. There is a quick dessert that you can add. Thanksgiving is coming up. Other holidays are coming up. You can add this. And if you don't like to cook, it's quick and easy and not a lot of ingredients. Again, thank you for coming to my channel. Stay tuned for my next video. Please remember to give your girl a like and drop some comments and tell me what you think. And I want you also to try this out.